Hello everyone, it's Shaminer here from Tech Tasty channel, and today we are review and the Neuronwriter, how to write and perfect SEO blog writing. Here is the noun in the we also familiar with Neuronwriter for AI writing and a lot of SEO tools here to subject to your blog post. In the left side here the Neuronwriter option. Here is the my project, share project, and in the left side below you can change your dark mode option or light mode option, and in the right side here is a profile, and here is the limit option, monthly limit. I have content writer or I use 75 and 1 project. I have used the entire 3 10 project, 10 project, and plagiarism is 75. Now I am going here into the my project. Already two project are I am added into, and all project are 148 queries. There is a showing 105 is queries. That means the queries means that the keyword and block are created for this project or this project. Now I create a new project. If you can create a new project, domain related project or project not related domain. If you target it as per your domain, or target as per your competitor, then project are going for the your domain or your client. You can select your client domain name or uh, targeted domain name, or not. Then even project not related to domain, then project name you can choose your name as per your needs. I can choose only SEO. Then next, and select next default search engine. You can select your for your Europe countries, Finland, France, Hungary, Iceland, Malta, Poland, as per your targeted country. North America, then South America, then Asia and Asian country, or where you can choose here for Oceania, and Africa also. United States are google.com language. You can here develop language into uses. I can now choose in English, and this great for SEO. And look at this, the my SEO project are open here, project name and project here in. Now when you create a project, new queries already in this project, I have no queries yet. For this is not showing 0. And now going to the new queries, and I would like to rank for, okay, I would like to for there's a keyword placement. You can look here for cities. You can choose also here also cities. That means the Google GMB, Google My Business, Google Business Profile. You can choose your selected countries, cities. Then countries, cities are go into the result showing. Type here for your cities, and then targeted keyword are appearance. Advanced setting here, you can choose your 5 URL for targeting, create a multiple analysis, consider the selected keywords, and assign. You can assign here for your team member a expected delivery, and they are your team are delivery when team are delivery for your this report. Now I can choose which SEO plugin is best for WordPress. Progressing 18% completed. At the volume, how many volumes are a for this keyword. Okay, and there's the my query result are completed. Here is the my target keyword. I will choose from my base targeting keyword for keyword analysis, and this targeted keyword no competition, zero competition. That's why these keywords are best for me. And volume are 30. 30 volume means I am choose my project for USA. Then this keyword are searching, only 30 people are searching for this keyword. This is a long tail keyword I search here. And now I am going from this keyword, and after that look the result. The here still competitors. As per this is a SERP result. This is the SERP result for AU 30 search result. After that also there was extra result, uh, extra result waiting for the result are going into the top. And this top 10 result are already SERP analysis as per SEO result Google USA, as per USA. And that's the number one Reddit, 135 word content score 25. As per this content score are scoring from the neuron writer's perspective. And here when you going the length as per your SERP result, here is the words length, the blog post length, how many words they are uses in this blog post, and number two, and this the number two, and 75 is good. And I think number two is number two as or number one when is going through the create some backlinks, then easy to possible to going number one. And now I am selecting checking sorry check for this which competition do you like for your blog post, or align this neuron writer to complete. I can check this also is 64, 62, and going to the next. In the right side there is a 77, means the competitor or highest position. That's number one highest position as per Newton writer 77, top on Google 25. I can beat the 77, then I can more related to target for rank to higher. Title zero, how can use this is the terms are uses, how can I use my title. Now I zero. Here is in the term option. In the term option there is the term as per suggestion, as per competitors this term are uses, the competitor uses for me basic term at per GSC Google Search Console. And here is the entities, here is the entities: WordPress, Wikipedia, article, article terms, heading. Here is the heading terms, how which terms are uses for the competitors. And the outline, in the outline for competitors, outline as per competitors is the one, is the one reddit.com. Just a score is 25, the h1 h2 h2, and the h3, the 7 8 9 10 12, and the number 2, number 3, number 4. And you can check here for number 2, who is the main heading, heading 2, heading 2, heading 3. That's also a good smart move. A smart heading just choosing for your smart heading for AI as per Neuronwriter's AI. And here is the smart heading, also the words question. The question are from Google Search Consoles or competitor contents. Now I am going through this content writing from the Neuronwriter long form AI content designer. Just few click you can generate from here. Also you can copy the terms. Here is also copy the terms option, chat gpt prompt, and this gpt prompt or list visible item. Also you can list visible item here for copy it, all the terms, and click here from the chat gpt to create a dynamic result or blog post for you, or Gemini AI. You can go from that. And now I am go from the long form content designer. Title, content requisition. Here is the free to implement the result. You can create here for content requirement whatever needs, include practical tips, expert, advanced option, content setting, blog article or landing page. And after that the article outline, say brief, then content to fact is pro article outline. Now I can improve, you can improve from your term as per smart heading, or then the exactly fact are going, and after that fact are increasing, and then you can automatically generate a content. I can choose here find my created a project and already use my product a project as per content designer, and as per content use content designer and 82 just for Neuronwriter long form content designer. Automatically content designer are added into your dashboard, into your blog site in this editor mode. And when you check here, after that click here and checking all. And also you can generate from here to just copy this and launch neuro. You can, here is the option added custom into selection, prompt suggestion, expand to select text paragraph, improve readability. All right, then go from the right. Then here is the media option. You can go for YouTube, stock images, and AI images, generate for AI images also. Also you into here just search there stock images, you can search there. And there is the stock images. We can just choose the deposit photo, unsplash and fixable. After that completing, you can choose all this, and the word are here is the 1224, and my competitors is 1165, and heading 82%, title 100%, term 66%. You can go here for the title, and you can check here for title generating for AI. Here is description generated for Y, and this is the terms they uses from the competitors, and this is the term for description. Also in the in the right side, there is a looking for the SERP result for 1 to 10, and the title and the description. You can choose here and select it here. And also there is a pixel setup are looking here to 600 pixel or more. I think my compute titles and description are best for this time, this keyword. Here is distraction free mode. You can choose here for your distraction free mode. Here's an option for you. In the right side in the corner, look at this mark as done export. You can export here for E, and import here for load version, and save here is the generative schema markup. You can check your schema markup. This is the tab 3. Check for plagiarism, open content briefs, set strategies, sharpen next content ideas, Google search console edit and automatically suggest here for you. And I am go for the check for plagiarism. There is the do you want to perform plagiarism check for content. I have on 75 monthly region. I can the yes. Here is the SERPs and competition. Go from the SERP and competition. Here is the competitor competition and competitors parameters on site. Here's the most page authority. Okay, as per most DA, this is the premium most feature for you. And Google rank and most rank here 26, and most domain authority 22, and the on-site also there is on-site content readability here. And the result is on-site titles, and you can only see here or the result 30. And this is the also most domain authority. This is also a premium feature for this Neuronwriter. And you can check here also sub analysis here for as per SEO basis. Computer is structure. Here also you can structure data here for as per in the sub result in this keyword, and especially this keyword of is h1 h2, and the number 4 position. What are the heading? That's the just one page. You can top 10 result are showing here. Here is the schema explorer. You can open graph, choose here for right tracking and micro data, just JSON LD and schema here. You can just click this is copy this schema and use here into your blog post or something. Image or open graph data, show images. Also you can create it for images. Title, what is the title, main title using. Description, head one aging is trading. And the competitors breakdown here, most ping authority. You can check here for the links just one, and the data are showing here. And comparison for most domain, most rank, and the comparison for the two data as per checking here to most page authority to most domain ranking. And the what's the competitors are point of value, what's the most data. You can check here and analysis your top 10 result and break down your competitors for top ranking. SERP layout feature is the top rate image or video or frame, which computer are used there into the their image only to frame and not uses in video. Okay, also you can generate here how to Google related search content terms. This is the terms are using. AppSumo drop 5. There was a AppSumo Black Price November 17 to November 21. There was a biggest deal for AppSumo Black Friday deals. And I can suggest you for 3 code at 297 is perfect for. I can use this 3 code. And project 10, you can use project 10. And content analysis queries. Also there's an option you can anytime delete your project and create new project. Content analysis queries are 75 45,000 AI credit 45,000. That means on the Neuronwriter long form content designer you can use from the 45,000 credit as per 3 code. And these 3 code are all are data schema and language, all are is plagiarism, all are included in 3 codes. And also you can Black Friday 10% deals. And this Black Friday deals are a lot of products here, and you can choose here from buy from my description links. Thank you for all.